Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. So how do you sort out the column of numbers in Excel? Or primarily, how do you basically type in? So you basically just click on Control Enter down arrow, and it'll automatically switch to, as you can see, B to C here. So again, Control, or you can just basically go ahead to Control Tab and the down arrow, or you could basically type in, you'd move directly to sector the C here. So as you can see, depending on the control tab, you could just basically type in whichever you want. You could adjust the colors also, but yeah, that's how simple it is to basically, we have A, B, and C on our chain command here. So that's just basically it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.